Well, all the wet weather, flood water have left behind plenty of problems for our pets. Fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes are some of the problems they're dealing with, but those problems can be preventable. Dr. Aziza Glass, a veterinarian with St. Francis Animal Hospital and Pet Resort, is here to explain more. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
So we've transitioned from the cooler months to the warmer months now, plus we've been dealing with all this rain. So what are some of the things that you're seeing in the pets that you treat?
Well, I'm seeing that, one, there's an increase in mosquito bites, and when you have mosquitoes, you want to be concerned about heartworm because that is the main carrier. And also, since people are still coming out of that winter mindset, a lot of times they're not on flea prevention.
Right.
And now that the summer is here and you're going outside more, you're increasing the exposure, and now they're seeing all that itching.
So let's talk about fleas and briefly describe the life cycle, because this isn't something that just pops up overnight and they're gone in a couple days.
Right.
I mean, these things last a while.
Exactly. So fleas actually just hop on in order to feed, but they hop off and live in the environment. So all those eggs and larvae are in your carpet, between your carpet fibers and between your hardwood floors as well. So it takes about 3 months from the start of prevention to really get it out of the environment if you're treating both the pet and the environment at the same time.
Right, and that's key, is to treat the whole thing. Okay, so let's talk about treatment. I've heard from some friends recently who've said, you know, I've always used to use, you know, this product on my dogs, but it just doesn't seem to be working anymore. It doesn't seem to be helping. Are there new advances out there that you're seeing, or what should people be doing as far as the prevention?
Well, it's a shift. So a lot of people are also getting stuff on online pharmacies as well, which is great for people who may not be able to come in. However, sometimes with those online pharmacies, you can't trust that they're going to be stored correctly or shipped correctly, and that'll possibly decrease the efficacy of those products. So that might be why this doesn't seem to be working.
Okay.
Also, if you have a pet that has started to go swimming a lot more, then maybe you don't want to use a topical because it's going to wash off and it won't last for nearly as long.
Are there chewables that are good now for pets?
Yes, there's also chewables. So especially if you have a dog that either swims a lot or has long hair, you might want to just go ahead and do the chewable, because you know that he's going to get it for that month.
Oh, that's good. Hide it in a little treat there for him.
Exactly.
And a flea infestation, it's not just something that can be a nuisance, but this can really cause health problems and make a dog sick, right?
Absolutely. So all that itching causes abrasions in the skin and allows those bacteria that normally live on the skin to take advantage of it. And secondary bacterial skin infections can arise. And also with fleas, that is the #1 way that dogs and cats can get tapeworm infections.
Oh, and is there a mistake that some people use when they are treating the fleas? Do they not do it as often as they should, or are they not putting it in the right spot?
Well, I would say that the #1 mistake that I see people make is that if they are in a multi-pet household, they'll only treat the one pet that is showing the most signs.
Okay.
And if you do that, then the fleas on that one pet is just going to jump on the other.
Right.
And they also don't treat the environment or the household. So it seems like it's a never-ending issue that's just not going to go away anytime soon.
All right. We are going to leave it there. Dr. Glass, thanks so much for sharing these important advice, and hopefully people will get in and see their vet and get their pets treated so the problem doesn't get worse.
Yes, I hope so as well.
All right, thanks so much. We appreciate it. Time now is 6:55, and we still have a lot more to go with you this morning on Fox 26 Morning News Weekends.